How to photograph a shirt styling. Use a professional styling mannequin or hanger. Install the stand-up collar support rod. Tighten the screws. Since the collar of this shirt is small, put the metal elbow. Bend it like this to reduce the collar space, without affecting the width of the hanger. The collar of the shirt can be supported to avoid sagging due to weight. The sleeves are equipped with telescopic rods and cuffs. Put the sleeve on the cuff plug. Stitch in the areas that cannot be photographed. To prevent slipping, stretch the fabric tension of the sleeves to make the sleeves bulge. To make it three-dimensional, this short telescopic rod is equipped with an underarm brace. Extend the underarm support rod to push the underarm clothes backward to hide. To make the sleeves and sides straight, the head of the telescopic rod on the expansion slot is equipped with a silicone screw. Straighten the placket. Pin it to the silicone head. Gently press the sides of the clothes inward to create some light and shadow layers in the front. Easier to edit this way.